Hello and welcome to the episode 17 of Beer Review. Today we have another Belgian beer and it's called the Koninck Triple de Anvers or something like that. It is supposedly from Antwerp city brewery, what's called the Koninck, I guess. It has 8% alcohol content and its style is like a triple beer. So it is top fermented beer. It should be, according to some information, fruity flavor, some caramel malt, slightly sweet, and it does actually have some fermentation in bottle, but not entirely as far as I understood. So let's take a closer look at it. It's a quite simple bottle. Seems we have some kind of guy, I guess doing sports, not entirely sure. We do have unique bottle cap here, and so let's go to the ratings. As usual, we will have all four usual suspects: smell, foam, appearance and taste, and then we find out what's the overall score of this beer. So let's open it up. We'll use our trusty AliExpress fake knife. Not really, it's cold steel AliExpress fake knife. Whatever. You get the point if you watch my videos, which you probably don't. So anyway, let's open it up. Let's hope it doesn't explode. It did not. So that's good. Yet again, here's the bottle cap. It seems to be unique for this beer. That's nice, but yet it's quite simple. I would actually enjoy to have this little guy on the bottle cap. It will make it more unique. Anyway, let's leave it aside. Let's leave this aside. And let's go with our first thing, the smell. Let's see. Okay, I would say it's quite weak. I do get some caramel notes from it, but I guess that's all. So let's go with the foam. So I would say it's quite thin, it's soft, and it do have some sweetness. Apart from that, nothing else really. So I guess we should now pour it in and see how actually the foam looks like. We'll use this type of glass. Not really a Trappist glass, because I don't have any Trappist glass. Because I think triples are supposed to be also drunk on the Trappist glass. So anyway, it's close enough, so let's see. I would say it's still quite a large foam. It seems to be white and nothing really what I can tell about it. Regarding appearance, let's look it somewhere differently. It seems to be orange, amber and quite carbonated. I guess maybe you can see through here. Quite nice. So the last thing we would rate is the taste of it, and let's see how it tastes. I know these glasses are not really supposed to be filled up, all of them, but I did it because so I can actually see the amount of foam it generates, because sometimes it's hard to tell how big is actual foam, because we can see it filled almost entirely full and we still have some beer left, and this 0.3 bottle, and I think this glass is equivalent for 1 pint of beer, so it's quite a lot. However, or it's at least 0.5 liters, so anyway, So let's see the taste of it. Okay, I see some sweetness and I think some bitterness as well. Some sweet, some fruitiness, I guess that's all. To be honest, I'm not really impressed by it, but it doesn't feel as strong as 8% alcohol content for sure. It does feel a bit weaker. Let's try once more. Yeah, it's I guess the same thing. Sweetness, fruitiness, and maybe a little bit of alcohol notes. It's not bad, I guess. So let's go for our final score of it. As usual, we will kind of use Ratebeer as our guide, because from all of the ones I have tried Untapped and Ratebeer. Now there is Beer Advocate. I haven't tried that one. Maybe I will, because if I try it, it means I need to recopy all of the beers from Ratebeer to it, I guess, not to lose anything. So that's why I'm using Ratebeer as my go-to app site for reviews. Anyway, let's go and rate it up. So the smell of it, I don't really have anything special about it, so it would be a 6. Appearance, I would say it's shame we don't have this guy in a bottle to make bottle cap a little bit more interesting. So it will be again a 3. Regarding taste, it's definitely a 6 or 7. I will try it once more. I don't know. I'll put a 6 for now. I will maybe rethink it. If I do, you will see in Ratebeer. Anyway, a mouthfeel, I would feel like a 3, and overall score I would put as let's think. Should I put more? I think I should put at least 13. I'm not really impressed by this beer, so that's that. It's not a bad beer, but it is better than some other beers I tried, but I would get the same rating of 3.1. So I feel I need to put a larger score for this. But here again I'm digging grave for myself, so I will put 3.1 as a final score, and the overall score for it is 13. So yeah, it's 3.1. Not the best score, but I feel this beer actually is a bit better than that. So it's not a bad beer. Simply it did nothing really special about it. I guess that's all I wanted to say. So I guess thank you for watching. See you soon and have a nice day. Subscribe, write comments if you have anything to suggest to my beer reviews. Any beer I should try, of course if I can get it, so maybe there's something interesting I can try. I hope it's better than that salty one. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye bye.